Coming up with your own recipe is a little bit of what you want and also how you're going to do it. So the whole process was fascinating to me, and starting with the flavor and the color and going backwards is really an interesting process. I appreciate the artistic side of coming up with something truly unique. But what I'm really interested in is how you're going to do it again and again and again, and continue to come up with not only innovative products, but consistent products as well. A lot of people can easily put together a delicious beer one time. And the question becomes not only how you do it again, consistently with the same color, the same specs, the same body, the same sweetness, all those different items, but how are you going to make that, if you're actually going to launch it in the marketplace, cost competitive as well? So you might want to use, the most expensive ingredients in the world, but if you're not going to make any profit, it's kind of useless to make that beer. So there's a lot of different things that go into it. Not only, what you want it to look like, what you want it to taste like, et cetera, but kind of working backwards, like I was saying before, how you're going to get there, what ingredients you're going to use, and, sometimes importantly, what ingredients you're not going to use because they're too expensive. I think a lot of people are intimidated by the calculation side of brewing. But if you design the right equations and the right spreadsheets and whatnot, really you can take any ingredient, any recipe, and scale that up very easily. If you do things in percentages and sugar content and all that stuff, it's very easily scalable. It's not, a shot in the dark. And I think that's really what I want to get across to people is it's not as hard of a process as they might think. I really love that. Every day is different. Every day is a challenge. And most importantly, the people in the industry are incredible. When you're jumping in, you need to just jump in. You have to figure out if it's right for you. And that means, you're getting your feet wet immediately. It might be cleaning kegs, it might be scrubbing floors, it might be whatever, but it'll teach you real quickly whether you want to be in the industry or not. And like I was saying previously, the people are kind of the highlight of the industry. And even if your first job, might not be your career and path, it's going to show you pretty quickly whether you want to be part of that crowd or not.